Guys, you know that moment when you're editing and you realize you've spent the last 2 hours just watching footage? Not even cutting, just watching and searching for the good parts. Yeah, that's the part of editing nobody talks about. But what if I told you there's a tool that finds the good parts for you before you even touch the timeline? My name is Daniel, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how aixcut changes the editing game. It's not about just cutting faster, it's about using AI to help you think first, so the editing part becomes almost automatic. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get into it. Alright mates, before we jump into the workflow, let me explain the big idea behind this tool. Think about how traditional editors work. Premiere, Final Cut, DaVinci. They're all built around the same thing, the timeline. You import your footage, you drag it down there, and then you start cutting. aixcut looks at it completely differently. Instead of starting with the timeline, it starts with the story. Mates, the idea is simple. Before you start cutting, you should know what you want to say, which moments actually matter and have a structure. And this might sound obvious, but most of us actually skip this step. We jump straight into trimming clips, without stepping back and thinking about the bigger picture. That's why edits often feel messy or unfocused. So the workspace is built around helping you figure that out first. The AI actually watches your footage, understands what's in it, and helps you organize your thinking before you ever make a single cut. You are not just operating editing tools anymore. You are having a conversation about your content. You're telling the AI what story you want to tell, and it helps you find the pieces to build it. Folks, let's see how it actually works. So friends, for this demo, I downloaded my finished digital marketing roadmap video, the one that's already on YouTube, and I'm dropping it into aixcut like it's raw footage, just to show you what the AI can do. When I edited this video originally, I spent probably 70% of my time just watching footage, scrubbing through and trying to find the moments where I explain things clearly. The most time-consuming part of editing isn't the cutting, it's the finding. But here, instead of doing all that manually, I just open the AI chat, upload my video, and type what I'm looking for. For example, guys, I can ask it to find the moments where I explain the day-to-day responsibilities of a marketer. Now the system starts processing the material. The video is already loaded, and I can refine my prompt if I want to make it more precise. So instead of just sending a basic request, I can slightly improve it, make it clearer or more structured, and then send it for analysis. Once that's done, the AI analyzes the entire video based on my request. Now, folks, here's where it gets really interesting. Based on that analysis, aixcut built something called a structured script. Let me open it so you can see. Okay guys, what you're looking at is basically a smart outline of my entire digital marketing video. Each row here corresponds to a key section. If I click on any row, it jumps me right to that exact spot in the clip, so I can quickly check any section without hunting. But here's the part that would have saved me hours on the original edit. Friends, I can drag these rows to reorder my entire clip. The AI has basically handed me a complete table of contents for my video. And because everything's already linked, when I'm happy with the structure, half the creative work is already behind me. I also want to add that for educational content especially, this is huge, because educational videos rely heavily on clarity and logical flow. If one section is slightly misplaced, the entire message becomes weaker. Having the structure visualized like this makes it much easier to evaluate whether the argument actually builds step by step. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Okay, so I've got my structure. But folks, let's say I want to create a shorter version, maybe for a different platform or for an audience that wants a quicker overview, something around 13 minutes. In a traditional editor, this would mean manually going through the entire timeline, deciding what to cut, readjusting pacing. So I type the request, and the system even helps refine it. It shows how long the video is, what needs to be adjusted, and how much time needs to be cut. Then it processes everything and builds a kind of cut plan, showing exactly which parts can be trimmed, at what timestamps, and in which sections. Look at the timeline now, guys. What I like here is that the AI doesn't randomly chop the clip. It prioritizes core sections and trims secondary explanations first. That means the integrity of the message stays intact even when the duration changes. This is what I meant earlier when I said, aixcut feels like a creative partner. I'm not operating software, collaborating with it. Now guys, this next feature is specifically for content like this. See this transcript panel? The tool transcribed every single word I said across the entire video. It's all here, perfectly synced. And now watch what happens when I edit the text. I just find any word, any sentence. It doesn't really matter what. I highlight it in the transcript, hit delete, and boom. Mates, this is especially powerful for talking head videos like mine, where the content is driven entirely by speech. Instead of thinking in terms of clips, I am thinking in terms of ideas and sentences. I can delete entire sentences, remove full paragraphs, and every time, the video follows along perfectly. No manual editing or switching between tools. Up until this point, guys, we've been moving in one direction, from footage to structure. We upload a video, the AI analyzes what was already recorded, builds a framework, and helps us refine and reshape the material that exists. But now, friends, we can do the opposite and start with the structure first. This feature allows you to take a fully written, polished script and have the system match your footage to it. So this is basically reverse editing. You upload a new script, and the AI analyzes it line by line, compares it to your original video, and automatically pulls the most relevant clips. So you can write a script for a shorter promo version, for example, and the system will build that version for you from your long-form content. You get a perfect two-way connection between your idea and your edit, while the technology fully adapts to your vision. And instead of just storing that text, the AI analyzes it line by line, compares it with the full transcript of your video, and automatically matches the most relevant footage to your new narrative. In other words, folks, it restructures your video so that it perfectly follows your new story. And what that creates is a true two-way connection between writing and editing. You can extract structure from footage, or you can define the structure first and let the AI reshape the footage to align with your intention. Guys, let's wrap this up. Today, we've seen that aixcut isn't trying to be another fast editor. It's something different. First, it helps you think, screens your content, finds the gold, and builds your story framework before you even touch a single cut. Then, and only then, it makes the actual editing part extremely effortless. You're not just operating software anymore, you're directing, and that's the whole point. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and till next time.